Hello store owners! Today, I'll show you how to set a wholesale sale price, a temporary discount just for your wholesale customers. Right now, I'm on my shop page, signed in as a wholesale customer, so these are the everyday wholesale prices my buyers see. Let's put one of these products on sale. Let's head into products and open up the denim jacket. Inside the product data panel, I'll scroll down to the wholesale prices section. This jacket already sells to my wholesale customers, and I'll set their wholesale price to $60 as our starting point. Now, here's the important part. Right below that, I'll enter the wholesale sale price and set it to $45. If you'd rather take a percentage off instead, there's also a sale discount field you can use. Then, I'll hit update, and the sale goes live for my wholesale customers right away. Let's switch back to what my wholesale customers actually see and open the denim jacket. And there it is. The original $60 wholesale price is now struck through, sitting right beside the new $45 sale price. That's all it takes to run a wholesale sale price for your customers. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.